Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You act first. Make the area safe and treat injured persons. Once stabilized, call emergency services and tell dispatch the precise location. While waiting, document the scene with photos and video, capture timestamps, equipment positions, and environmental conditions. Make sure to record witness names and immediate statements. Don't interview like an investigator yet. Also, tag any damaged tools or materials so they aren't altered. These steps create the factual foundation you'll need for an accurate, defensible accident report. You now build the report. Fill the official incident form with exact date, time, job location, and involved personnel ID. Describe the sequence clearly. Start with what the worker was doing, list equipment and tools, and note safety measures in place or missing. Explain immediate causes and contributing factors, separating direct actions from environmental conditions. Attach supporting documents like photos, witness statements, maintenance logs, and training records. Once done, review for clarity and factual tone. Avoid speculation or assigning blame. You finish by routing the completed report to the supervisor, safety officer, and insurer within the mandated window. Note submission times. Make sure corrective actions are tracked. Stop work if needed, schedule repairs, and assign retraining with deadlines. Document who is responsible for each action and set follow-up inspections. If medical outcomes change, update the report and records. Troubleshooting tip: if witnesses retract or records are missing, log attempts to obtain them and use secondary evidence like time-stamped photos or security footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.